After a huge increase in coronavirus cases for Bexar County, with new cases hitting more than 1,000 last week, the number appears to be dropping. Tonight, Metro Health is reporting 694 new cases, and that brings our total case count to 85,895. There is one new death to report tonight, and that increases the death toll to 1,377. As for hospitalizations, there's currently 576 people battling the virus in a local hospital. That's 2 days in a row that we've seen a slight decrease in hospitalizations.